Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is a short update again on where we are in the market, just a general estimation. Of course it can always go up and down and all the models we talk about can break, of course, but if you look at the Bitcoin Rainbow price chart indicator again, we see the different zones where we actually are. We have, for example, the maximum bubble territory, or we have a fire sale, and if you look at it historically speaking, we are very close to the fire sale still, even though we had a short upswing in the last week. So this is still an incredible, great opportunity to dollar cost average into basically everything you see in the market. We don't exactly know what the winners are. Of course, if you go for things like Ethereum or Bitcoin with a high market cap, it's basically the same thing as investing into the winners that we have already, like Amazon or other big companies. You're pretty much gonna get your returns. We don't want to gamble too much. We don't want to get into the altcoins for too long because they're volatile. That's the first thing, and many people can't actually stomach the drops, even if they think they can. And the next thing is that we just often don't know who exactly the winner is, and I don't think there's one winner in the crypto space, but I think there's gonna be a bunch of them, and you should try to pick something where you actually kind of have a good estimate of something you know, and protocol or a coin that you actually started to understand, that you look into it, and where you're rather sure that it still exists in the next 10 years. I think having a big time frame is the most underrated thing in the crypto industry. Many people say, well, if I would have bought Bitcoin for $100 or even $1,000, I would be rich by now. Probably wouldn't, just because you would be greedy. You would try to leverage your gains. Many people panic sell, and if they have an extended period of down pricements and being in the losses, often they are forced to sell just because they invest more than they can risk to lose, or they just get weak hands. So my advice again would be look at the longer time frame. Even if we would stay in this fire sale category from the end, and we would just continue to be down here, we would still be on a rising logarithmic chart, which would be an incredible opportunity to be in. So yeah, we're looking forward to see where the things are going, looking forward to see where the price is moving. Don't forget to diversify your portfolio, maybe not only into the crypto space, maybe search some other things as well, even though, for example, if you look to gold, the Uganda gold mine that has been found with an incredible new set of gold. It's just interesting to see that something that is considered as safe as gold just showed up to have a big inflation. They're like 3 to 5,000 tons of gold mined each year, again and again. So we have a built-in inflation, and of course with Bitcoin we have 21 million. More realistically would be something like 16 million, because many people actually lose their coins and don't have access to it anymore. The next thing I want to speak really quickly is try to get some of the portfolio you have dropped to another device or to another platform. If you use something like Coinbase or Kraken or whatever is out there, don't host it on one single entity, because if they have a black swan event, if they go bankrupt, they actually use your coins as collateral. If this is the case, and we've seen it quite a couple of times where people can't withdraw or they can't trade if things go south, and especially in a time like this where there's still quite some uncertainty about what the Fed is doing and where the market is going. You want to be safe. You don't want to give all of your monetary power in the hands of one person or one company you don't know. I also recommend to get something like a ledger or a Trezor, something where you can save your cryptos actually on the chain and get your own keys. Remember, not your keys, not your coins. And yeah, just diversify it. So even if the worst case happens and one of the things or even two go down, your personality, your wealth is not going south as well. So stay happy, stay strong, see the opportunity, look into the future, have a long time horizon. 3 to 5 years would be something I could recommend, because then you average out all the volatility that is in the crypto market, and I think we're looking into a great future. Alright, see you next time.